Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to review fractions. It's a big review package. If you've completed the grade 8 fraction videos, today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So quick note here, every question in this review package comes from a lesson that was done in grade 8. In the video description, I will put links from where every practice question came from. If you're having difficulty with this review package, I highly recommend that you simply complete the associated video. Explanations will not be provided in this review package. So example 1, write these numbers as a product of primes. So 20 we can write as 2 times 10, and we can write that as 2 times 2 times 5, like that. 34, 17 times 2. Okay, so practice 1. So there's going to be a lot of practices in this review. So go ahead and pause the video and answer this question. Write these numbers as a product of primes. Okay, we're back. So 40 4 times 10, and 4 is 2, 2, 10 is 2, 5, like that. 12, 4, 3, 4 is 2, 2, 3 stays there, like that. 100, 10 times 10, 2 times 5, 2 times 5. 90, 9 times 10, 3 times 3, 2 times 5, and there you go. Okay, simplify. 9 out of 27, 9 in common, 1 and 3 is left, so 1/3 is the simplification. 25 over 30, 5 in common, 5 over 6 is what remains. Practice number 2. Go ahead and simplify these fractions. Okay, we're back. So we have 2 in common here, so 14 over 9. We have 2 in common here, 4 over 3. Here we have 5 in common, 8 over 13. And here 81 over 54 reduces to 27 over 18, and that reduces to 3 over 2, like that. Example 3. Multiply and simplify. 3 over 5 times 2 over 7. Multiply the top 6. Multiply the bottom 35. B. 10 over 14 times 7 over 2. We can cancel out the 14 and the 7 here, so it becomes 1 over 2. 2 is in common with the 10 and 2, so it was 5 and 1. So multiply the top 5, multiply the bottom 2, like that. Practice number 3. By showing all of the steps, demonstrate that 8 over 10 reduces to 4 over 5. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, so 8 over 10 is the same as 4 times 2 over 10, 5 times 2. This separates like that, just like you bring it together, you can separate it. So 4 over 5 times 2 over 2. 4 over 5 times 1 is 4 over 5, like that. Okay. Practice number 4. Multiply and simplify. Go ahead and answer that question. Okay, we're back. So 3 and 9 cancels out like that. We have 1 over 3 remaining. 2 and 10 cancel that out. What's left is 5 and 1. So what's left on the top is 5 times 1, 5. 1 times 3, 3, like that. 15 over 5 reduces to 3 and 1. That's it. So 3 times 3, 9. 17 times 1, 17. 100 over 18 times 3 over 4. We have 4 in common with the 100. So 25 and 1 is left. And we have 3 in common here. So what's left is 6 and 1, like that. So 25 on the top and 6 on the bottom. 130 and 10, that cancels out. So we have 13 remaining. 7 and 21 cancels out, 1 over 3 remaining, so 13 on the top, and 3 times 1, 3 on the bottom. Practice number 5. A. What is a half of 8? And B. What is 3/4 of 8 over 9? Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, so we have half of 8, so half times 8, 8 over 2 gives 4, like that. 3/4 of 8 over 9, so 3/4 times 8 over 9 like that. This reduces 1 over 3, this reduces 2 over 1, and so 2 over 3 is your final answer. Practice number 6. Label the following fractions: proper, improper, or mixed. Go ahead and pause the video and put a little P, I, or M for the following fractions. Okay, so 3/4 proper, 2 over 3 proper, 4 over 3 improper, 2 and 1/6 mix, 7 over 4 improper, 3 and 1/3 mix, 1 over 5 proper, and 4 and 2/7 is mixed, like that. Okay, example 4. Convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So we have 4 times 3, 12, plus 1, 13 over 3, like that. 8 times 5 plus 2, so we got 40 plus 2, so 42 over 5, like that. So practice number 7, convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So 7 times 3, 21, plus 2, 23 over 3. 5 1/4, 20 plus 1, 21 over 4. 3 and 8 over 9 gives 27 plus 8, 35 over 9 as our answer. Example 5. Convert the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. So we have 8 over 3, do division, we have 2 remainder 2, so that's 2 and 2/3 as our mixed fraction. Practice 8. Convert the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. So we got 2 right here. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So 10 over 7, so division, 1 remainder 3, so it's 1 and 3 over 7, like that. B, 22 over 8, long division, 2 remainder 6, so it's 2 and 6/8, like that. Okay, so same question, and we have 2 more right here, 32 over 5 and 15 over 4. Go ahead and pause the video and turn them into mixed fractions. Okay, so we do long division and we get 6 remainder 2, so 6 and 2/5, like that. 15 over 4, long division, 3 remainder 3, so it's 3 and 3/4, like that. Example 6. Multiply and convert each answer into mixed fraction form. So 3 1/3 is 10 over 3, 4 1/2 is 9 over 2. We simplify, which leaves 15 over 1, and so 15 is our mixed fraction form answer, like that. Okay, so practice number 9. Multiply and convert the answer into mixed fraction form. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're back. So this one's got a lot of computation to it. 5 1/3 times 6 and 2/7. This is 16 over 3 times 44 over 7. So nothing can cancel out here, so we go 16 times 44, which gives 704. 3 times 7, 21. We do long division, and we get 33 with 11 remainder, so it's 33 and 11 over 21, like that. B, 8 1/2 is 17 over 2. 9 and 2/3 is 29 over 3, like that. 17 times 29, 493. 2 times 3, 6. Long division, this gives us 82 and 1/6, like that. C, 4 and 7 times 3 1/4. This becomes 29 over 7 times 13 over 4. Multiply the top, 377. Multiply the bottom, 28. Perform long division, so it's 13 and 13 28, like that. D, 7 and 2/5 times 5 and a fifth. This is 37 over 5 times 26 over 5. Multiply the top 962, multiply the bottom 25 like that. And so long division, we get 38 and 12/25 as our answer. Okay, practice number 10. Find the reciprocal of the following numbers. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, so 6 over 7 is 7 over 6. 4 over 10 is 10 over 4. 6 and 1/3 is 19 over 3, and so the reciprocal is 3 over 19 like that. 22 over 5, reciprocal 5 over 22. So example 7, divide and simplify. So 5 over 2 divided by 10 over 4 is 5 over 2 times 4 over 10. We can simplify that out, and a remainder is 1 as our final answer. B, 6 over 5 divided by 2 over 7. This is 6 over 5 divided by 2 over 7 times the reciprocal like that. This cancels out to be 3 over 1 here, so that's 21 over 5 as our final answer. Okay. Practice 11. Divide and simplify. So go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we have, what do we have here? 8 times 3 over 4. This reduces to 2 over 1, so 6 over 1. So 6 is our answer here. 12 over 5 times the reciprocal, 10 over 2. This reduces to 12 times 1 over 1 times 1, which is 1. So 12 is our answer. 7/3 divided by 14 over 6. So we go times the reciprocal. This reduces a whole bunch, and what's left is 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. So 1 is our final answer. Okay, a couple more, divide and simplify. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So 15 over 4 divided by 3 over 5. This becomes times the reciprocal, 5 over 3. This gives 75 over 12, which reduces to 25 over 4. E, 8 over 1 divided by 3 over 4. So this is times the reciprocal, 4 over 3. This becomes 32 over 3, like that. Example 8, divide. Convert answer into mixed fraction form. So 4 and a fifth divided by 1 and 3/4. This becomes 21 over 5 divided by 7 over 4. So this becomes times the reciprocal, 4 over 7. This 7 cancels out top and bottom, so 3 and 1 there. So top is 12, bottom is 5, like that, which can be converted to 2 and 2/5. Okay, practice number 12. Divide and convert answer into mixed fraction form. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, A, 5 and a third divided by 2 and a quarter. This is 16 over 3 divided by 9 over 4 times the reciprocal, and so this becomes 64 over 27, which is 2 and 10/27. B, 6 and a half divided by 3 and a third. So we have 13 over 2 divided by 10 over 3 times the reciprocal, 39 over 20, like that. So this is 1 and 19 over 20. C, 7 and a fifth divided by 2 and a half. So this is 36 over 5 divided by 5 over 2 times the reciprocal, 2 over 5. So this becomes 72 over 25. And so this is 2 and 22 over 25, like that. D, 9 and 2/3 divided by 3 and 2/3. So this is 29 over 3 divided by 11 over 3 times the reciprocal. 3's cancel out, so we have 29 over 11. And so this is 2 and 7/11, like that. Okay. Practice number 13. So here are some operations here. Go ahead and pause the video and solve and simplify. Okay, and here's the other bunch. Go ahead and pause the video and solve and simplify these as well. Okay, so let's do some correction here. So we add this up, so 9 over 8. This is add up, 18 over 5. Common denominator already, 6 over 3, which is 2. Here we have 3 over 5 times 1 over 3. Common denominator 15, so times 3 here, times 5 there. So this is 9 plus 5 like that, which gives 14 over 15 as our answer. 5 over 7 plus 1 over 21. We're going to go times 3 over 3 here to bring it up to 21. So we have 15 over 21 plus 1 over 21, which gives 16 over 21. 3 over 8 plus 5 over 12. We're going to bring 8 up to 24 by times 3 times 3. And we're going to bring 12 up to 24 by going times 2 like that. And so we have 9 over 24 plus 10 over 24 gives 19 over 24. G, 4 1/2, 9 over 2, plus 3 2/3, 11 over 3. We're going to bring these up to common denominator of 6, so times 3 over 3 and times 2 over 2 here. So this gives 27 over 6 plus 22 over 6 gives 49 over 6. Okay, example 9. Find the lowest common multiple, or LCM, of each pair of numbers using whichever method you want. So A, 18 and 24. So I like to do the method where we break up 18 into product of primes, 24 into product of primes like that. LCM, we take the biggest, so this one has the most 2s, so we have 3 2s like that. This one has the most 3s, so 3 3 like that, which gives 8 times 9, which gives 72. So the LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. Okay. Practice number 14. Find the LCM of each pair, and you can use any method you want. So A, B, C, D. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, 44 is 2 2 11, 55 is 5 11, so the LCM is 2 2, 5, and 11, which gives 220 like that. If you did it a different method than mine, that's perfectly fine. B, 6 is 2 times 3, 10 2 times 5, LCM is 2, 3, and 5, so it's 30 like that. C, 110 is 2 5 11, 50 is 2 5 5, so LCM is 2, 5 5, and 11, which gives 550 like that. D, 16 2 2 2 2, 12 2 2 3, so the LCM is 1 2 3 4 2s and 1 3 like that, which gives 48. So practice number 15. Go ahead and pause the video and solve and simplify. Okay. 2 over 44 plus 13 over 55. We're going to look for the lowest common multiple, and when that gives 220. So we're going to bring it up to 220. So 2 over 44 is 10 over 220. 13 over 55 is 52 over 220. Add that up, we get 62 over 220, which reduces to 31 over 110. B, 7 over 6 plus 31 over 10. The lowest common multiple is 30. So we're going to bring 6 up to 30 by times 5, and 10 up to 30 by times 3. 35 plus 93, 128, and this reduces to 64 over 15. C, 5 over 18 plus 9 over 24. LCM is 72. So we're going to go times 4 over 4 for the 18 and 3 over 3 for the 24. So 20 over 72 plus 27 over 72, it gives 47 over 72. D, 51 over 110 plus 47 over 50. LCM out of the two is 550. So 110 is going to be brought up by going times 5. 50 is going to be brought up by going times 11, like that. And so that gives 772 over 550, which reduces to 386 over 275. And last question here, E, 9 over 16 plus 1 over 12. LCM of the two is 48. So 16 times 3 over 3 like that for 27 over 48. 12 is times 4, so we're going to go 4 over 48 like that. Add those together and we get 31 over 48. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.